Okay, yes, so we have to continue here with the duct shop drawing. So ducting shop drawing. So please be with me and keep watching my full video. Also, please like and share my video. So let us start now. So you can see this is one branch and the width of this branch is 900. So we have to offset 900 divided by 2. Okay, each side 450. Okay, and TR trim this extra line. TR double enter, you can trim and draw one reducer here. So first we have to complete the main duct, then we will start the branch duct. Okay, now for move 150, go for offset 450. Okay, click this line and click this side. Now you can see this width of this duct after this reducer is 450 mm. So we have to offset 450 divided by 2. Okay, and draw a line from this point to this point. One more line from here to here. Now TR, select cutting edge and trim the extra line. Okay, here you go now. Okay, now select this cutting edge and trim the extra line. Okay, so this side is over. Now here, move to this branch. So you can see that this branch width of the duct is 450. So over offset 450 divided by 2. TR double enter, trim the extra line and draw one more reducer here. Draw one line from this point to this point and move this line at a distance of 150 mm. Okay, and then reducer length should be 450. So for offset and click this line and click this side. And you can see this size, this at the duct side and duct width is 350. So we have to offset 350 divided by 2. Over offset 350 divided by 2. Now draw a line from this point to this point. One more line from here to here. TR, select the cutting edge and trim the extra line. Very good. Now you have to trim this line as well. Okay. So next is your this branch. So after this, there will be one more reducer. So here you can see this width of this duct is 250. So over offset 250 divided by 2. Okay, and then here is you can see the width of the duct here is it is here the width of the duct is 200. So we have to continue with this same duct. Okay, so here it will be 350 over offset 350 divided by 2. We keep maintain the same distance, make it elbow here, then we can reduce it. So if fillet, we can use fillet command to make the radius here. Radius is should be 150. And then over offset 350. Draw a line from here to here. One more line from here to here. Okay. Now trim this extra line. Okay. Very good. Now save. Use Control S. Save command. Okay. Now we have to make one more reducer here. So over offset and offset at a distance of 150. Then reducer length 450. Okay. And now offset this one. So over offset 200 means 100 each side. So enter 100, 100. Draw one line from this point to this point. One line from this point to this point. TR, select the cutting edge and trim this line. TR double enter, trim this one as well. Okay. Now You can see this duct is arrived up to this diffuser. So we have to connect this diffuser to this duct. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line from there to here and move this line at a distance of 200. Okay, move 200. Okay, now extend this one. So EX for extend and B for boundary. Select this is the boundary. So I want to extend this two line. Okay, now TR double enter to trim this line. So you can see now this diffuser you can connect in this duct easily and you can erase this center line. Okay, so this is over. Now we have to start the branch duct designing. Okay, so in the next tutorials we have to continue. So please be with me and keep watching my full video so you can get the complete concept of duct designing as well as drafting. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.